Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I noticed that some people find it very difficult to crochet. The main thing they are looking for is how to start. And today I'm going to teach you how you do the foundational chain. It is as simple as tying a knot. That is what we call a slip knot. Grab your yarn, make a circle round your fingers and cross it. From the remaining small yarn, go do it over the other, below the other yarn, and bring it out from the circle and pull gradually. Do not allow the short part, this one, to pass through the circle. Push it with the longer one and make a knot. And that is what you call your magic knot. Now from this your magic knot, you make your foundational chain. How do you do it? Put your hook into the knot you have made and pull. This is to determine the tension that you want to start with. Now, roll the yarn over your finger. Use your thumb and your middle finger and hold the small yarn that came out. Now, watch me. Yarn over and pull through. That is one. Yarn over and pull through. We've made another one. Yarn over and pull through. It is as simple as that, okay? Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And as you can see, we have made like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. Now, depending on what you want to make baby shoe, you want to make bunny, you want to make whatsoever, gown, skirt, bandana, headband, you need to know how to make your foundational chain. All right. The next is making a magic circle. This magic circle comes handy when you want to do a circular crochet. Probably you want to do a face cap, a heart, and whatsoever that requires circle. That is when the magic circle comes handy. And how do you do it? Just make a circle with your hand, all right, and bring it out from here. Use your hook and bring out. Now from here, depending on the number of crochet or the number of chain you want to make inside, secure it by pulling through the first one. You have the circle. Mind you, you can reduce this circle from this, all right? Well, meanwhile, make your chain. And while making your chain, make sure you hold the small one close to the main circle and crochet. I'm making like 6 of it. Six of this chain. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. And this is 6. As you can see, I've made the number of chain that I wish to have, but I still have a big hole. So what do? I will drag it from here. Okay. To get what I want. Then from here, to complete my circle, I will do a slip knot. And how do I do a slip knot? A slip stitch, sorry. And how do I do it? Is by inserting my hook into the first chain that I made, yarn over, pull through the chain and pull through my yarn. That is my circle. I can now start crocheting round and round and round. Now the next thing I will teach you is how to make a double crochet, a single crochet, and a half double crochet. And you will start with your foundational chain. Now this is my foundational chain. If I want to make a double crochet, yarn over, insert into the second chain, or the third chain, or the fourth chain, depending on what you want to work on. I'm inserting into the second chain, yarn over, pull through. I have 3 on my hook, yarn over, pull through 2. I have 2 on my hook, yarn over, pull through all. That is your first double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the next chain, yarn over, pull through. We have 3 on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. You have 2 remaining on your hook, yarn over, pull through all. It's as simple as that. Yarn over, insert into the next chain, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. We'll have 2 on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. You can see how your double crochet is. Now, if you want to do a half double crochet, it is done this way. Yarn over, insert into your chain, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 on the hook, yarn over, pull through all. Let's do it again. Yarn over hook, insert into the chain, yarn over hook, pull through. We have 3 on the hook, yarn over, pull through all. Yarn over, insert into the chain, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all. That is half double crochet. Now, if you want to do a single crochet, this time around, you will not do a yarn over at the beginning. Instead, you will insert into the chain, then yarn over, pull through. You have 2 on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all. Insert into the chain, yarn over, pull through. You have 2 on your hook. Yarn over, pull through. Insert into the chain, yarn over, pull through. You have 2 on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all. And that is single crochet. All these things matters when you are working on a particular project. You might want a double crochet, you might want a half double crochet, or you might want a single crochet. This is how to do them. Thank you for coming back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please click on the subscription button, hit the notification button below, like and share, as well as comment. Alright, all these things are free. When you hit on the notification button, it makes you know when I upload a video. Thank you once again for watching. See you next time. Bye.